4 reasons why your aircon switch on and off by itself. Having automated aircon switching on and off by itself? So, it's another day in the smothering weather, and you're looking forward to getting relief from the extreme heat, maybe get a nap or something. This can get extremely frustrating, so, let us walk you through the possible reasons, and you'll see how to avoid or solve these problems. Timer. Ask around to find out if anyone in the house has programmed your air conditioning unit's timer to switch on and off at specified times of the day. Compressor problems. A dirty compressor can lead to overheating, which can lead to a circuit trip, resulting in shutdown until the air conditioning unit reboots itself. In cases like this, you need to remove the coil, and clean it, if it is dirty. Call a professional to help replace it with a new one. Condenser problems. Condensers are used in devices that transfer cool air to another location. It is an essential part of air conditioning units because it cools vapors coming from the compressor. When an air conditioning unit switches on and off by itself, it may be due to a dirty or blocked condenser. To resolve these issues, you can clean the condenser coil and fins, or remove unwanted debris, if any. Defective thermostat. It senses and helps your air conditioning unit to regulate and maintain the temperature in your room. If the thermostat senses that your room is at your desired temperature, it will keep it that way. If it senses otherwise, it will prompt your air conditioning unit to either increase or decrease the room's temperature. If the thermostat senses wrongly that the room has reached the optimal temperature or is too cold, it will shut off by itself, leaving you positively melting in that stuffy environment. Check if you've adjusted the thermostat correctly, or if it is an unfortunate case of defectiveness. If all these fail, it may be time to schedule a service call. If your current aircon is ancient, why not get a brand new one? This may save you more money in the long run. Remember, regular checks and self-maintenance can help target problems before they escalate, saving you much money and time.